Good morning, Wall Street Pete. Sick dough in crypto. Want to learn how to make sick dough in crypto? You hit that like, hit that subscribe, because we're going on a ride talking about going to the moon, and hopefully we're going soon, right? We're finally getting crypto prices. You hit that like and subscribe over here. We keep you up to date. So hope everyone is having a wonderful day. Gather some likes. Now's that time to get together, please, if you could. Hit the like button, share with a friend, and just sit back. We're about to have a video for you. We're going to talk about big time. We're going to talk about a couple little crypto things here and there. Biconomy is going to be another one, so please hang tight. So as we're gathering and getting this crypto video together, please hang tight. Thank you. I know the mic's off. I said I look crazy. Crazy. I get it. Well, it's that crazy holiday spirit, crazy holiday time. What's up, everyone? Wall Street, Pete, Signal Crypto. Somebody told me that the beard, this is in today. This puffy beard, this is what the cool kids are doing today. Except they don't have gray hairs. Wall Street, Pete, Signal Crypto. Come on over. Hit the like and subscribe. Talking about this channel is growing, 1.59K. We're only a few short from the 1.6. So I would appreciate if you're watching and you're not one of those subscribers, please come on over right now, hit that bell notification, and show me that, hey, I'm here to stay. Fuck it, let's do it. All right, come on, let's get into this. Appreciate you guys very much, but let's talk about some serious things. A lot of things to talk about this morning. I want to go over real quick before we get into the crypto assets specifically that we speak of. But Michael Saylor, right? A lot of people have ridiculed him and his company, MicroStrategies, for overbuying Bitcoin at the high. Well, let's take a peek of how they're doing real quick. Michael Saylor's MicroStrategies, and that's over $2 billion profit as Bitcoin rallies near 42,000. Oh, wow. And by the way, 42,000, didn't we watch a video a month ago that I told you a bullish pennant was coming in between that range and it was going to happen really fast? Yeah, that happened really fast. So what's happening now is recorded a profit of exceeding $2 billion from its Bitcoin holdings as the cryptocurrency price surges past 42,000. Ladies and gentlemen, dollar cost averaging. This method has come over time and time again. It has not seemed to fail many people. If you do it the correct way, no, dollar cost average, there is no correct way to do it. Only one way to do it, right? It's very simple. You have money, you have buy. You think it's time to sell, and you think it's up at that price, it's time to sell out instead. And you do it multiple times in whatever specific fashion you're doing, whether you're buying for a good couple of years or you're selling for a good month or a couple of years. It's up to you. It depends on how much you hold and if you dollar cost average out properly. Now, big time, 327% up on just the week. So if we go to the month, let's see what's going on. Some of these assets like Bonk are going bonkers. And on the year, let's take a peek of what is happening on the year. Pretty interesting. Not much, because why? Well, this crypto asset is pretty new big time, and it just came on Coinbase not too long ago. So I use these tools. It's up to you if you would like to use those tools, but the Bitcoin Fear and Greed Index is only at a 75. Wow. Ladies and gentlemen, we are blowing through this, and the Bitcoin halving is only 133 days away, so we still have to get through this. People don't understand how important it is to really, really see, ladies and gentlemen, it's time. Dogecoin killer. Shiba Inu burn rate spikes 40,000% as Shiba Inu reaches 30 million in transactions. Pretty insane what's happening, and it seems like the crypto space is back. But big time, getting back into it. Just recently up 60%. Let's pay attention. I believe that's on the day. This could be, actually I have this max here. And if you pay attention to what has been happening here, if you pay attention to here, we got Friday, October 11th. It was 7 cents. So October 11th, if you just got into this new asset, it went over to Coinbase, and we're going to talk about where you could buy it at. Right now, currently at 80-something, and how much percent is this is incredible. So currently right now, big time. Price has increased today, talking about 60%. And you must do your own research. You got to check and see what is going on. And let's see where it is. Here it is. I have some pullbacks. I have some thoughts of where I think this may go. But you got to do your own research, right? The first thing, Big Time is a multiplayer action RPG game developed by Big Time Studios. Big Time's player-owned economy includes NFTs and Big Time utility token, right? We talk about the tokenomics and what's behind it, price, and all that. Big Time tokens can be used to craft cosmetic NFTs. Big Time tokens can also be used to enter exclusive zones called prestige portals. So this is a big game that's going on right now. People are pretty excited. One, they're playing it. Two, if you pay attention right now, the volume is it's insane because it's 575 million. And what happens with this skit I was saying is when the volume is over the market cap, you must find a new all-time high, or perhaps the price will just keep increasing depending on what the situation is for this particular asset. So 3 days hold time. As you can see, 234 possibility of a popularity here for the Coinbase, but this changes really quickly. But watch all this. This is a big deal as you pay attention to the market. There's a lot of different indicators and things you can do to help yourself. Another one, right? Well, we have for the Big Time token 169,524 transfers. We are up 1,900%. How many holders and how many new wallets keep coming through, right? 8939. So let's pay attention to see what is going on with that. 8939. See how quickly this changes? And just like that, a new wallet holder if you hit refresh. So you just want to pay attention. Once we get to 10,000 wallets all the way to 100,000 wallets, this will become pretty exciting. I think that's only 1.9%, excuse me. So that you got to pay attention to. These dots and these commas are really not clear. But getting into the Big Time price, as many people want to know, right? What is the Big Time price? We could get this loop and it could keep coming all the way through, and this could have been the lowest price you could have gotten. What was that? Well, 71 cents. So we have to watch what the market's doing. I do have a double top here on my oscillators, as you can see, I love very much. So we are going to pay attention to the 4-hourly double tops. We're going to see, looks like we're going to get a short-term fall. If we do get a fall, not financial advice, but a gentleman twice as nice, looking at the 68 cents possibility and 58.5 cents. So there's a chance that Big Time could keep coming through. But you can see the daily here, it is finishing green. So the momentum could be getting us a bounce right through the middle here. We will get a new high, and then we will have to adjust the top here. So there's a chance that happens. But if we are getting this fall, and I don't think it's going to happen. Like I said, the momentum on this is very strong. People are excited. They're watching what this asset has been doing, and wow, it's pretty exciting because not many crypto assets that are, new do this, but you really got to pay attention to what the price action has done. 411%. What has that been? That was from November 29th. Today is the 5th. So we're not even talking about one full 7 days, one full week. And we're talking about 400 times. 4 times on your money, 400% I meant to say. So it's pretty exciting to get involved in some of these things and learn more about it. But I would not get excited or buy in any green candles like that. So please be careful. It could be a big trap. Bitcoin, it kills me because we had that crypto video, right? I said, and there was nothing right here, right? The price was here at 34,000. And I said, if we break this bullish pennant right now, we could see prices all the way to 42,000. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're not appreciating these videos, I don't know what's going to make you happy. I don't know what's going to keep you excited. So if you could please comment, let me know what you thought about this call out. I said all the way to 37, all the way to 42, and only a couple people really called it out and said, look, holy shit, Pete called that really well. And look, we're getting resistance. We can pop right through, don't get me wrong. The FOMO is real as steel, but ladies and gentlemen, we have halted at 42. I said that could happen, and that's exactly what happened. We broke out of this bullish pennant, and not many people are getting excited about it. I thought there would be more excitement. Maybe that's what's killing the algorithm. I don't know. 1.54 trillion market cap. Pretty exciting for that. And talk about Biconomy. We over and over talk about it. And you can see here, coming through 33.5 cents, needs to break above. Once that becomes a possibility, you can see what is going on. This has got me excited because I'm looking to get 46 cents all the way to about 70 cents. So please see what's going on right here. This is the range. I will start getting excited for Biconomy, the Web3 Ethereum blockchain. And once you get to the Big Time, you can see what's going on here. Once we break through that, there is a humongous cup and handle on the weekly that can come through. So cup and handle could happen, could finish at the 46, or we could get so much momentum, ladies and gentlemen, that this thing shits its cock off to the upside, as my buddy Hydro would say. And I know you never heard me say that before, but he says this sometimes. He cracks me up, so I figured I'd bring it in. But look at the falling wedge coming in, looking pretty strong, right? And this is only a matter of time before this big ABC-like correction breaks out. So big. So please pay attention as the rest of the crypto asset and altcoins are coming through. We could find ourselves all the way to $1.15. I remember buying it in the dollar range, and I know I bought it a lot coming down at this falling wedge. So it's called dollar cost averaging in. Obviously, if you're buying it at this price, what's happening when you're buying it at the dollar range? Let's say you did. When was that? That was February of 2022. Say you did what I did, right? Now, you bought it then, but hey, you could brag about buying it now too, right? You also bought it at 22 cents, right? Or 20 cents. We're down 80% on our money from February of 2022 if we held it. That's just, hypothetically, if we did. But if you pay attention what is happening, if you dollar cost average into these prices, $2,000, right? Something stupid you could do. And then $2,000 at 22 cents. Imagine how many shares you could get at that price. And then all of a sudden, 30 cents, you did another $2,000. Well, now we have $4,000 in at a price. I mean, it's so much lower. It's insane. But this is dollar cost averaging into this particular asset. And then as you can see what's going on, the cup and handle, you're going to keep dollar cost averaging, but these discounted prices are going to be over. But if you do really use your head a little bit here and say, well, technically, even though this price is increasing and I don't want to buy anymore because I should be selling and making profits, you have to remember at one time your dumbass was buying at $1 because you were dollar cost averaging in over a period of time, maybe a couple of years, or maybe you didn't. Maybe you just got in right now and you're finding out that this falling wedge is so exciting and you're like, holy shit, look at this. I'm going to get in now, and now your dollar cost average method is great because you're buying at the bottom right now, perhaps right at the bottom. We'll see if that is the answer, but I can tell you right now we are definitely overbought a little bit up here on this specific chart on the weekly, but it could keep going. But if you pay attention to the daily, it could be very tricky because we could be breaking out. As you see here, resistance coming in. So Biconomy in big time, two crypto assets I'll keep an eye on, but I'm not going to FOMO in on big time. What I would FOMO in more likely would be something like Biconomy. But it's exciting. It's very exciting to come into the crypto space and see what is happening, right? We go over here, pay attention to long and short positions sometimes. I like to do that. That's fun. Check it out for the day. And it's weird. It's weird to say it because you can see what's going on. And a lot of people are bearish now even more. You can see how bearish they are. 48%, almost 50% of the market is expecting some type of fall here coming in soon because they don't expect it to go up forever. So I don't expect it either, so please be careful. I would not FOMO into something like this. Like I said, we gave you some crypto analysis, technical analysis, where we thought it might be able to come. And that's totally up to you to find out if it does happen. Like I said, none of it's financial advice. You have to pay attention to yourself. Be careful. Please be very careful because these prices, like big time, they could keep going, but I would not buy into something that's been going up this big. It's very scary. And yeah, my beard is very hairy. A lot of people, I can't believe it, right? We've been growing this beard, and I feel like I'm deserve to be on a show right now. I feel like I'm ready to do a skit of Elf 2 or some shiznick. But I hope you have a wonderful day. Wall Street, Peace, Crypto, and Crypto. It is December 5th. We pretty much bring a video live to you almost every day, talking about this, breaking down this crypto space. And wouldn't it be nice to be MicroStrategies right now? $2 billion in profit. I'm curious. You don't have to tell me, but how much money are you up this holiday season or up until this 2023? Because I damn well know he's not the only one that's been buying, and shit, I know I'm not the only one that's been buying. So dollar cost average in seems to be working, right? We talk about buy the dip. You got to do your own strategy, right? This is my strategy. So I talk about this all the time, how important it is to buy the dip, to pay attention to the utility, the tokenomics, right? How many holders? Does it have a Twitter page? Does it have 100,000 followers? That's a pretty big deal, right? For you to follow them, you got to be pretty excited to do that. What is the guy's name, right? Where did he used to work? Did he work for Microsoft? Did he work for Warren Buffett or something? You just got to really do your own homework. It's very important because you could get your ass kicked. A lot of people want to get these shitcoin assets like big time, and they want to get in it. I understand. But your best bet, if you want to get into a crypto asset that's really a shitcoin, keep an eye on Coinbase. Coinbase likes to present these shitcoins, and they like to dump them. So big time could be something that gets dumped, although long term could be a great investment long term, right? Could come right back and go 10-time fold. It definitely could. But you got to watch out for these because these are some of the crypto assets that could just explode like we were expecting. So, like I said, I pay attention to the layer 1, layer 2 projects more often than not. I'm excited for these. I know I look ridiculous. I'm just trying to get into the holiday season. Believe it or not, we're only 19 days away from that Christmas Eve, and I can't believe it. That's less than 3 weeks away. It's disgusting. So I hope everyone has a wonderful day. It is Tuesday, so trying to keep it a short video for you. I hope you enjoyed the stream and some of the content that we brought to you this morning. If you enjoy the videos and you keep watching, or if you're a hater, please hit the like and subscribe, man. Subscribe, hit that bell notification so we do go live. You get the stuff immediately. We are very busy, especially with the holiday season coming. Nobody wants to buy gifts. We want to buy more crypto. And this could be the season where people get the least amount of gifts ever. And why is that? Because these sons of bitches are buying up all the crypto, and you're getting cold for Christmas. You may have been a good boy, but daddy's a crypto addict. Have a great day, Wall Street, peace, Signal, and crypto. I love you. Hit the like and subscribe. It's very important to keep this algorithm going. And more importantly, what crypto asset? Comment. What would you like to hear about? Take care.